Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today's video is going to be an official unboxing. So the product that we'll be unboxing today is this. So this is a Circulon hard anodized flat or Dosa Tawa. So this is the product that I'll be talking to you guys about and showing you what it looks like on the inside. So watch this video if you want to know more. So guys, like I said, today we'll be unboxing the hard anodized flat tawa from Circulon. The product that I have in front of me is a 32 centimeter tawa, and we also have this size in it, which is 24 centimeter, and there is also 28 centimeter. So you can pick whatever size suits your needs. So again, I'll be getting into the unboxing part of it. So I'll open the product. Just remove this packaging material, and this is the product that you get inside the box. With that, you also get some safety and use and care instructions that will help you to increase the life of this product, how to use it, how to clean it, etc. Now a little bit about Circulon as a brand. So Circulon is one of the world's most popular cookware when it comes to non-stick, and the trademark design of Circulon cookware are these rings or circles that are there on every single pan, which help this pan perform on another level, because once you're using your spatulas or spoons on any other non-stick cookware, you are scratching the surface, and over time you lose that non-stick coating. With Circulon and these raised circles, you only use your spatula on 10% of the pan. 90% of the pan is below, on a lower level as compared to the ridges or the circles that are given on this pan, which makes this pan extremely long lasting, and because of that it makes it metal utensil safe also. So you can use metal utensils or metal spatulas on your Circulon cookware, but make sure that you are not scraping and scratching, because that can damage the coating. Now many people say that non-stick coatings or non-stick cookware is not that healthy when it comes to daily cooking. When we talk about Circulon cookware, all the coatings that are used by the company on any product are all FDA approved, are free of any kind of heavy metals or chemicals, be it cadmium, lead, etc. It is also free of PFOA, PTFE, etc. Anything that is dangerous to you is avoided and not used at all when the coating of this pan is made. Even if you talk about the rivet part of the pan, even the rivets are coated with the non-stick cookware. Generally, these rivets attract a lot of gunk and oil and things like that, and they get stuck around the rivet. But since the rivet is also coated, nothing will stick here, and your pan will remain exceptionally clean and exactly like this for years to come. Circulon, because of its quality and the kind of raw material used, is able to give lifetime warranty on all of its products. And when we talk about the handle part of it, even the handle is metal, and since the handle, like I said, are riveted, they won't move or they won't get loose over the years, and it has no screw or glue on it. Any part that can break or come loose or mix with your food is not there in this product. And since the handle is also metal and the cookware itself is also metal, many people might think that the handle will get heated up, because metals tend to heat up much faster as compared to plastic or silicone. That is why this gap is given here. Now this gap dissipates the heat much faster, and no matter how long you use this pan on the flame, the handle will not get hot. So this pan is perfect for beginner cooks who are trying their hand at cooking and who are getting used to the whole concept of cooking and making their own meals. So many people might love dosas or pancakes, etc., and things like that, or even fried eggs, as basic as it may sound. But they don't have a lot of experience cooking with like stainless steel or cast iron pans, and they might end up with stuck food, like their dosa must be getting stuck to the pan, or their eggs must be getting stuck to the pan, etc. So this is a perfect product for them. You can make perfect dosas without the addition of oil or butter, and if you like that flavor you can add it obviously, but you don't require any kind of oil or butter for your dosa to come off. You just put your batter and it will slide right off, making it perfect for beginner cooks. And if you're making like pancakes or eggs, anything that tends to stick to a regular pan will glide off without any kind of sticking on this particular pan. So that was it guys when it comes to the Circulon hard anodized flat tawa. When we talk about the hard anodized part of it, hard anodizing is a process where we take aluminium and we make it really hard so that it keeps up with the likes of stainless steel, etc. So that was it guys from this unboxing. This is the product that we were talking about, the Circulon hard anodized flat tawa or dosa tawa. There is an entire range of Circulon cookware, be it kadais, fry pans, dosa tawas, etc. So you can check all of them out. The links are there in the description. I'll be back with more such unboxing videos. In the meantime, do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any kind of queries, you can leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to answer them, and I'm gonna see you soon.